Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. And thanks as well for joining me here. Especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I grabbed the opportunity to read the card because I am now free from my work. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This reading is for the star sign of Scorpio versus all signs. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please, for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. What are the possible energies for the star sign of Scorpio versus the 12 zodiac sign? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio for the 12 zodiac signs. Scorpio versus the 12 zodiac signs. Of course, because there are also fellow Scorpios that you are going to encounter in your life. And that's why I said Scorpio versus the 12 zodiac signs. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. This reading is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio versus the 12 zodiac signs. First, we have the Six of Cups. This is the current situation. The challenge is the Five of Cups. We also have the Knight of Wands. This is the spiritual lesson. The Moon is the past situation. The present is the Five of Swords. The future is the Hierophant. Your attitude is the Tower. Outside influence is the Ten of Pentacles. Your hopes and fears is the Lovers. The outcome is the Death. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If it is not your energy, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the current situation, is the Six of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. But normally, the Six of Cups is embodied the energy of a Scorpio. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. I feel like somebody here wants to return, to apologize. This person wants to ask forgiveness if this person and you having grudges or misunderstanding. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This person could be in your family or your childhood sweetheart, childhood neighbors, or childhood friends, because this is related more on family and your history during your childhood. It could also be that this person feel that you are home for them. They feel home in your energy. Could also be that this person is in your family, could also be in your friend circle. It could also be your ex or in the community. But I feel like somebody wants to return her. Others of you, it could also be that this is related to your childhood trauma. This is related to your family, could be. Others of you, it could also be that you are living far away from your family and you are feeling homesick. This is nostalgia, homesickness, and I feel like somebody here wants to return, to celebrate with you, to inspire you, to offer you a cup of love, and to socialize with you. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Please keep in mind that the energy could also be reversal. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 5 of Cups. Again, a fellow water sign, Scorpio. It could also be that you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. But majority, this is the energy of a Scorpio. The 5 of Cups and the 6 of Cups is normally a Scorpio energy. Not necessary. Could also be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. Somebody here is regret with their action in the past. Somebody here is feeling remorse for what they have done in the past. It could also be that you are dealing with this person. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is your energy, that you are disappointed of this person or the group of people in the past. Because in the past could be that you are expecting this person or group of people to be with you, to be around you during your struggles, but they are not around you. In the past, I feel like you are always supported this person or this group of people. Could also be that this group of people or person is in your family. Could also be in your workplace. Could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I do feel that this is your challenge because somebody here never lost their hopes. This person wants to return, to apologize, to ask forgiveness, and to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This is your challenge because the question is if you are going to forgive this person for what they have done to you. I don't know what is your situation with this person. Expect somebody to return in your life. Take only what fits in your story. We have here the spiritual lesson is the Knight of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. This is your spiritual lesson. I feel like this is your energy for most of you. You are taking an abrupt decision, could be in the past, and that's why somebody here is feeling regrets and remorse. Could also be that this person is taking an abrupt action without thinking. That's why the universe advised you to make a plan or to think first before you take an action, because sometimes it may lead us into troubles and regrets. Somebody has disappointed. could also be that this is your energy. You are taking an action abruptly, or this person was the one who caused disappointment here. This person could be a Sagittarius or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be that this is related to passion and desire. Maybe this person in the past is non-committal. Maybe this person in the past is treated you like an option, a one-night stand, a fling, or an adventure. And this person now is feeling regrets and remorse with their action in the past. Could be that this person misjudged you, if this is related to love and partnership. If this is your ex, this person wants to return. You look. The first card is somebody wants to return, to apologize and to ask forgiveness and or reconciliation. If this is your ex, this person is the same. This person never learned their lesson. This is like before, in and out of your life. Could be a Sagittarius or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This is your challenge because I feel like at this moment in your life, you are advise her to recall the past experiences you have. For instance, you are having a strong passion and desire with this person, and you jump off in this relationship without thinking, without analyzing if this is good or not. And that's why this is the spiritual lesson, because for some of you, it was happened for a reason, in order for you to learn that you need to make a plan, or it's not bad to take an action abruptly, but we need to make a plan, to be very careful, because sometimes it may lead us into the wrong way. That's why this is your spiritual lesson here. Not because the person is gorgeous, the person is attractive, the person is magnetic, and we have to jump off with this relationship. Even though this person is treating you like an adventure. Yeah. It's like a fling or a one-night stand. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the moon. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Pisces or a Cancer. Or you have a Cancer or Pisces in your birth chart. You look, sorry, your first card is also water sign. And the second is also water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. I feel like there is a confusion here. There is vagueness. It could also be that this is a misconception. You look. If this is a new person in your life, you have the lesson in the past. And if it is your ex, you have also a lesson in the past, because somebody here is keeping secrets on you. And I feel like for some of you, you already knew the secret. It could also be that this person wants to reveal their feelings towards on you. There is vagueness in this situation, or somebody here is having fear to express their feelings towards on you, especially if this is a new person. It could also be that this person wants to approach you, It could also be that this is a new person in your life. But somebody here is cautious, having fear to approach you, to tell you their feelings. For some of you guys, the universe advises you to pay attention to your dreams, because somebody here is keeping secrets. Or it could also be that this person is afraid to reveal their feelings towards you. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? Others of you, it could also be that this person is insecure on you. This could also be insecurities and anxiety. And we have here the 5 of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius. Could also be other sign. I feel like you are very skeptical at this moment in your life. You have lots of choices in love and in relationship, but you are asking in your mind, could I trust this person or group of people? I feel like you have lots of love offerings. You look, there are lots of cups in this reading. The 5 of Cups, the 6 of Cups. I feel like you are very skeptical nowadays, especially to those people who will tell you that they loves you. In your mind, you have too many questions. You ask if this person or these people can be trusted or not. You have too many choices because you don't want to prolong into mental agility and to conflict. It could also be that this person now is feeling defeated because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. The universe advises you to surrender. If you have a struggle in your mind, you need to surrender it to the universe because you cannot control everything. For some of these people, it could also be that these are in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Maybe in the past, they are engaging you in a conflict, a drama, bullying, and now you become wiser. You have a lesson in your life because you learn to pick your battles wisely. And this person now are feeling defeated. Others of this person is mad on you because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a group of people. Could also be other sign. And they are now feeling defeated by you. Take only what fits in your story. This is the present situation. By picking your battles wisely, because you have learned your lesson, you are disengage your energy to this person or group of people who are gossiping and spreading lies and rumors about you, who are backstabbing you, who slandered your name, who tried to sabotage your relationship or your work. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Hierophant. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Not necessary, it could also be other sign. For most of you, this is your energy. This is related to your faith and commitment. It could also be that somebody wants to commit with you. This person could be a Taurus, but the problem is, could be that both of you having different beliefs and or religion. And that's why somebody here wants to ask, to question your beliefs or your religion. It could also be that this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Others of you, this is your energy. You are following your intuition. You are focusing more on spirituality than of traditional values. It could also be the nature of your job is related to spirituality. For some of you, it could also be that you are oppressed, a shaman, a guru, a light worker, a star seed, a tarot card reader, or a spiritual advisor. It could also be that somebody here wants you to share your knowledge to the community. Or this person wants to approach you, to uplift you. This person could be having the same belief or religion with you. Either you to them or this person to you. For some of you, if this is related to commitment, there is a problem here because, of course, not all of you, that you have the same beliefs or religion. There are people who have different values and beliefs or religion, and that's why there is a problem here. Somebody here wants to question your belief. Could also be that this person is in the community. I don't know who is this person. This person could be a Taurus. And this is the future energy. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Tower. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. There is an unexpected ending here. A loss, an upheaval, or destruction. This could be related to an illusion. An illusion is a lie. It could also be that the lies of this person is going to expose. This is your attitude. Or for some of you guys, you knew the secret of this person, what they are hiding from you. And I feel like there is an exposure here. There could also be an unexpected revelation, unexpected ending, breakup. Could also be a divorce or a separation of two people. I don't know which is your story here. I feel like this Tower is not for you. For the person that you are dealing with, could be a fellow Scorpio or an Aries. Could be that the lies of this person who embody the energy of an Aries or a fellow Scorpio is going to expose. This is your attitude. Others of you, you already knew because it could be that for some of you, it was already exposed. You look, somebody here is keeping secrets. The Moon. An illusion. An illusion is a lie. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the 10 of Pentacles. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo. or you have a Virgo in your birth chart, not necessary. It could also be that this Aries, fellow Scorpio, and Virgo are conniving to betray you. And you look, they are keeping secrets on you. Either you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Aries, fellow Scorpio, or Virgo. And this group of people are conniving to betray you in the past. And now, their secrets is going to expose the Tower. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you guys, this is related to inheritance. This is related to money. This could also be that they are keeping you the secrets. Yeah. This group of people, which I told you. Aries, fellow Scorpio, Virgo, Cancer, and Pisces. This could be related to financial matters, either an inheritance or could be a divorce. This could be related to a windfall or lump sum of money. And they are keeping secrets and they are lying on you. And now there will be an exposure. For some of you, you don't know this will happen. Others of you, you already knew their lies and manipulation. But you still have this financial abundance, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Whether or not they will keep secrets or they are conniving to block your financial success and stability, you will still have a windfall and lump sum of money here. Could be that this is an inheritance passed to you. And there are people who are blocking this, that you should not receive this inheritance. Or somebody here block your financial stability, your legacy, because they doesn't want you to be stable. This group of people are hateful on you. You know what? Majority of these people are low vibes and they are jealous and envy with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look, in the past, they slandered your name. They sabotage. They are trying to mark you down because they are envy of your financial success and stability. There are people here conniving to block your stability, and their lies is being exposed or already exposed. This is your attitude in this reading. Because I feel like you are going to receive a windfall or lump sum of money here. It could also be that this inheritance can be passed in the next generation. Others of you, this could be your early retirement fee. This is related to a lump sum of money. Could also be that you are going to win a lottery. I don't know if you believe in magic, or you already won a lottery, and there are lots of people who wants to betray you. Somebody here is keeping secrets on you. Others of you, this is related to your stability, your financial success and abundance. I don't know which is your story here. It could also be that this person is feeling entitled with your financial success or inheritance. Could be a Virgo or a group of people. Includes Virgo, Aries, fellow Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. Take only what fits in your story. Okay. And we have here your hopes and fears. It's the Lovers. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to love and partnership. If you are already married, you are advised to be very careful because I feel like there is a temptation here. Others of you, this is your twin flame. Both of you are mirroring each other. Could also be that you have a past life connection with this person and the history repeats itself because somebody had never learned their lessons. This could be your divine counterpart, a twin flame. And you are advised here to make an important decision in your life. A major choices. Whatever you choose, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, you are free. Because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. But in making an important decision in your life, you are advised here to be true and to be honest to yourself, to be wise and be strong. And don't forget that love is the greatest gift, especially when you are going to choose a major choices related to love and partnership. This is your hopes and fears here. Could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or a Virgo because this is the previous card, or this person viewed you as their twin flame. Either a Virgo or a Gemini. Somebody here needs to make an important decision. Either you or this person. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And we have here the final outcome, the Death. This is the Major Arcana 13. This is your card. Please pay attention with the number 13. It could also be that there is a significant meaning for you. This is the metamorphosis of your life. You manage to shed your skin. You give death to the old you. You are not the same person before. This is the transformation and rebirth. For some of you guys, you don't want to leave the people behind, but you have no choice because those people aren't good for your soul. They are no longer serve you in the past. And that's why you managed to lift them. You already transformed spirituality. This is the major transformation in your life. Transformation and rebirth. It could also be that there are people in your life in the past viewed you as a different person before, because I feel like for some of you there is an upheaval here, an unexpected ending. Could also be a separation. You look, the Tower, the Death. They said that a Scorpio reading is not complete without the Tower or the Death. For some of you, it could also be that this is the right time. This is a powerful new beginning to collect what belongs to you. Because I feel like in the past, there are lots of people who betrayed you. You look, and the illusion is going to expose. Could also be that for some of you, it's already exposed. And that's why this is the right time for you to take back your power. To take everything which belongs to you. Sorry guys for the interruption. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the interruption. And this is your major transformation in life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this is also a powerful beginning, because you manage to transform. And that's why this is a powerful beginning. You take back your power, and you are now facing the new era of your life. Take only what fits in your story. This is the outcome in this reading. And clarify me please the death in this reading. Why the death here, please? Tell me more about the death in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the death here, please? The death is clarified as karma, consequences, cause and effect, debts. For some of you guys, it could also be that there are people now in the past who are receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you. This is the clarification of the death card. You look, karma. This is cause and effect, consequences, death. What goes around comes around. What you sow is what you reap. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Scorpio, a fellow Scorpio, maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio in the past, a low vibes Scorpio, is now receiving their karma for what they have done to you. Could also be a group of people. And this group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. You look, the Tower. Because I feel like there are people who are conniving to destroy you in the past. I don't know who are these people. And now they are now facing. They face their bad karma. They are now reaping what they sow. Could be a group of people, includes a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? Clarify me please the Tower here. Why the Tower here, please? Thank you. The Tower is clarified as divine masculine. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. And I feel like this person could be your either divine masculine or divine feminine, because in tarot there is no gender. Could also that this person viewed you as their divine counterpart, either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please the Five of Swords here. The Five of Swords is clarified as silence, frozen, no words, stone wall. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart, and you give this person a silent treatment. You have no words. You are not communicating with this person anymore, and this person viewed you as a cold person, because in the past, I feel like this person messed you up. It could also be that this person slandered your name, gossiping lies and rumors about you. It could also be that this person put you in a third-party situation or sabotaging the relationship between you and them in the past. And now, you cut off the ties of this person, and this person viewed you as a cold-hearted person because you are no longer communicating with them anymore. Could be an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. The Five of Cups here. The Five of Cups is clarified as only you, devoted, attached, crave. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this person wants to attach with you because this person believes that you are the love of their lives. You are the love of my life. Only you. This person is craving your energy. This person wants to return, to apologize, to ask forgiveness, and to reconcile with you if possible. Because this person now is in pain. This person now is feeling regrets and remorse with their action in the past. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, clarify me please, the Lovers here. Why the Lovers in this reading? The Lovers is clarified as conflicted, hot and cold, multiple options. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart, and this person is conflicted because this person having a multiple options, or this person put you in a love triangle. This person is hot and cold. Could be a Gemini. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please. Why the Ten of Pentacles here? The Ten of Pentacles is clarified as clinging, holding on, obsessing, spying. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, and this person is clinging in your energy. This person is spying on you. This person is obsessed on your energy. This person couldn't let you go. You look, could be a Virgo, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please, the Moon in this reading. The Moon is clarified as trapped, stuck, tied down, captive. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer, and this person is feeling trapped, tied down, captive. This person is feeling stuck. You look, that's why somebody here is confused. Somebody here keeping secrets on you, or the secret of this person was already revealed, because this is the past. The Moon here is the past situation, and that's why this person is feeling trapped, couldn't move, feeling like in a limbo. Could be a Pisces or a Cancer. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please, the Six of Cups in this reading. The Six of Cups is clarified as running, ghosting, disappearing, invisible. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, and you are no longer engaging with your energy to this person anymore. And this person believes that you are running away, you are pushing them away, you disappeared in their lives, because I feel like this person or group of people mess you up in the past. This could be in your family, or your childhood friend or childhood sweetheart. I don't know, because the Six of Cups is normally more on family, your childhood history. Yeah, could also be that this person feel that you are running away from them. You are disappearing because you are tired and sick with all their BS. And that ends your reading for today, my beautiful soul Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share in order to make it grow. Thank you for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye!